Meanwhile, after campaigning for 2 days in Garo Hills, TMC General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee has shifted focus on Khasi Jaintia Hills. Addressing a rally at Khyndai here on Friday, he questioned the centre's silence on the string of graft cases allegedly occurring under Conrad Sangma's stewardship. Slamming BJP, he said that the Saffron Party is now accusing its own government in Meghalaya, making it an election issue. Referring to the tragic Mukraw incident, he condemned Chief Minister Conrad Sangma for failing to take any action in this regard.
Bowing down to the people sitting in Delhi and Gujarat and Delhi and Assam, your Chief Minister has not done anything. So this time, I would request all of you, when you go and exercise your franchise, keep this thing in mind, that do I want a coward, a spineless person who doesn't have the courage and spine to stand for me, my soil and my right, or do I want a true leader who will stand for my right, protect my land and take on BJP head on and bring Meghalaya's lost glory back?